Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Marriott Bonvoy Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Marriott Bonvoy Card, start by locating the card activation sticker usually found on the card itself. Then, read the instructions provided on the sticker carefully. You will see a toll-free number to call for activation. Take your card in phone and dial the number. Once connected, listen for automated prompts. When prompted, enter the 16-digit card number located on the front of your card. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. You may be asked to provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Make sure you have this information handy. After verification, you will receive a confirmation that your card is activated. If you prefer not to call, consider activating your card online. Visit the official Marriott Bonvoy website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the card activation section. Enter your card details as prompted. After completing the process, you will receive an email confirmation of your card activation. For an additional option, use the Marriott Bonvoy mobile app. Download the app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the app and log in to your Marriott Bonvoy account. Find the card activation feature in the menu. Input the required card information as specified. Submit the information and wait for activation confirmation. Once activated, you can start using your Marriott Bonvoy card for earning rewards and benefits. Remember to sign the back of your card after activation for security purposes. Keep your card in a safe place and enjoy the perks that come with being a Marriott Bonvoy member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.